I've been so obsessed with earrings that look different and something that not everyone has. I saw these pretty floral earrings on Pinterest and I looked for them everywhere, but I did not find anything that was something I could afford. So I made these earrings. It's really simple and I think it looks really nice and aesthetic and pretty. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So all that you need for this DIY are some artificial flowers, a pair of hoop earrings, and a pair of scissors. That's all. First thing that you need to do is take your scissors and cut the flower out. Now all you have to do is take the fabric part of the flower out from the stalk, like so. And the last thing is to take your hoop and put the flower in facing backwards. So the next flower that we're going to put in is going to face the other way around. Putting the flowers facing opposite to each other, you need to cut 4 of such flowers out for each hoop, but you can do as many as you like depending on how you want it to look. And finally, the last piece of flower facing outward. And that's all. You can also secure the flowers in place using glue, but I preferred it this way because then I can remove all the flowers and wear them as simple hoops, or wear them with the flowers, or even change the color of the flowers. And that's all. Thank you for watching.